Hey everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to knit two together and purl two together. So these stitches, they're commonly a way to do decreases, but you could also have them not be a decrease if you add a yarn over in there. So that's what I'll do first, because I don't want this to decrease to nothing as I am showing you how to do it. So first I'm going to start with a yarn over, and now I'm going to knit two together. So I'm going to take these two stitches, insert my needle into the back of them, just like I'm knitting, yarn over, pull through both of them, and take that up and over the top. So we'll do that again. First we'll start with that yarn over, then I'll insert the needle in the back of these two, yarn over, and pull through just like a regular knit stitch, but with two stitches instead of one. So I will finish off this row and then I will show you how to do the purl version. All right, so to purl two together, it's going to be the same thing, but with purling. So you're going to come in from the top, come to the front of these two stitches, yarn over, pull it through, up and over. Then you're going to come into the top of these two, yarn over, and pull through. And I'm not doing a yarn over in this row, so as you can see, those 4 stitches that we just went through have turned into 2. So we're going to go into these 2. So it starts off as 2 here. I'm going to yarn over, pull up, and it comes to 1 over here. And there you go. So thanks for watching this video on how to knit two together and how to purl two together.